see you tomorrow, buddy. Welcome back to another video, everybody. Look at the air quality. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says it's really bad right now. If it'll, there you go. I should have the not mods, but 5 things I love about the bike. So with that, that's like what I love about its stock. If you want me to do like my top 5 mods that I've done on it, let me know. I probably would do that in the future or something like that once I do a couple more mods to it that I like, the exhaust, because that'd have to be like in top 5, right? Like always. So gotta wait for that. Like the new gas cap, this was expensive, man. It was like $130. I got a sale, so it was like $120. Do I have gas? Man, 3 bars. I should have more. I didn't top it off last time. I thought I did. I need to get a tint on her, man. I need to find like a cheap tint shop. Dude, nowadays tinting is so expensive, is it not? Everything is just expensive, man. Why is everything so expensive? Your cars, your food, water. Gas is getting up there too. It better not get up to $6 again, bro. I remember when it was 6 something here, bro. I hated that. For premium, it was like $6.80, $6.50 or something, and I was like, well, what the hell is this? Is this real? I'm paying $6 for 1 gallon. And not that this matters, and not that anybody mentioned, but if you wanted to know, my fingers are short, so these are size medium. So like I can 2-finger things, but I'd 3-finger it just to, cause can't reach the alright. Like everything is just so expensive nowadays, and I don't like it. Can't even buy a house at this age, bro. Like you gotta like have roommates and shit. I don't want roommates. I don't want roommates, bro. Like I do, but I also don't. I just want to be by myself, you know? See, why is second gear for my quick shifting up is so like jerky? I don't know if y'all saw that, but then the rest is like smooth. Is anybody else's XSR like that? I got a cramp in my leg because I let it hang off the fucking bike when I made that turn like a dumbass. Yeah, man, can't even buy a house in this market, bro. Like your boy is 27, man. You're trying to buy something, but like everything's so expensive. Heck, man, I want a new car too, but I'm not trying to fucking cut off a limb for it, you know? Dude, every time I go back to these gloves, I low-key like it, because they're so broken in. These are my first gloves ever. Actually, no, they're not. No, they're not. Second, but my favorite gloves, because I wore the fuck out of these. I'm talking about like I had no other pair of gloves because I couldn't afford any other pair of gloves. So these were like my gloves for like 2.5 years. I stretched them out, like wore like the underlining underneath, and now like I can literally feel like every like little thing. It's nice, dude. I've been getting way too many frickin' missed toll mails in my fucking Mailbox, man. Like, am I really like breaking the law that much? It's from my car, not like the bike. What's going on here, man? I'm literally paying like 50 cents, and then it goes all the way up to like $27, and then it'll be as much as like $75 at one time too. Bro, I've gotten like 8 of them in the past like 2 weeks. I'm like, what's going on here? They're out for me. They know my they like know my license plate number now. I know y'all, a lot of y'all have been commenting on my videos, like saying like, oh man, saying I'm like a little crazy. Don't worry guys, like I'm sure, okay look, I'm sure you guys have an ultra instinct like mode when you drive or something, right? Where everything, you just zone everything out and like you just in the zone, right? Like obviously there are dumb drivers, and I know the motorcycle is way more dangerous, but what I'm trying to say is I be in that ultra instinct mode, and I just know where everything is low-key. Like I'm like looking, like, trust me guys, you guys are probably looking at like where the cars are. I'm looking like way down. I'm looking down to the Tyson's corner sign right there, all the way down there, more than down there. Like I'm looking all the way down, bro, you know. So that's like one of my tips of like riding fast. Okay, you cannot focus on what's right in front of you, because obviously, like, I mean, yeah, you're gonna focus there anyway, but like you gotta focus on what's farther ahead, because you gotta plan your escape routes and plan a lot of shit, right? You know, like, see, I'm already looking, I already know what cars are next to me, I already know what they're trying to do, you know, I already know what's behind me and shit like that, you know. It don't even matter. Look at this Jeep trying to like show off and be fast and shit. But yeah, man, do not worry. I mean, thank you for worrying. Thank you guys, and I thank you for the support too. Thank you for the love, all the new subscribers. Thank you. I'm trying to post more. I mean, I have been posting a lot, so I've been like going OD on this thing. You know, I haven't been riding a lot because, dude, the weather has been just fucking crazy, you know. So look at that heli. Let's hope it doesn't rain, man, because I cannot have this rain on the seat, you know. When I'm in the zone, like right now I'm not, like I'm just cruising, right? But even then you're still like looking a lot. You're still looking everywhere. Do not worry, but also worry. Thank you. But you know, I just feel like whenever you're in the zone driving as well in the car, you're just mindlessly like, and it's so bad, dude. But hey man, we're all human. I know a lot of you guys do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't sit here and be a hypocrite and say you don't. I know I could be an asshole, but I'm a nice asshole. Like I said, I let people over, you know. I'm not like fucking revving my engine out. I mean I'm going fast, but that's not revving it, you know. I rev it a couple times, but not like that. Maybe when I get an exhaust. Dude, my exhaust is so quiet, bro. You can barely hear it. You can only hear when I'm on it. But yeah, just focus on like what's way ahead of you. Like, I'm looking way ahead down right here now, bro.
that hope. Look at this Camry. Or is that a, what is that, the Avalon? Hey yo, Louis, if you watching this video, I know you probably don't even subscribe, but Louis Provisions, bro. Meet me at London if you find time. Come on, let's go then. Oh my God. That's how you know it's getting old. It doesn't stay on. Guys, what I'm saying, bro, look at the tank now, bro, with the gas cap. Looks so fucking clean now, bro. With the all black, man, shit look beautiful. Holy Ghost in that Bugatti. Everything costs bitch, all the smoke free. Okay, the new first fill up with the new gas cap. Let's see how this is. So you gotta do this, right? First you gotta do this. Pull this out. Hold that. Then we just hold it. So this is the gas cap, everybody. It's not too bad. Pretty clean. Damn, it's hot as shit, guys. When I'm just standing still here with the heat of the engine on me. And I'm wearing like mostly dark gear. Perfect execution. We gotta get to work. Dude, I am sweating bullets. Y'all hear that shit, man? That shit sounds phenomenal. I need an exhaust on this bitch ASAP. Oh, air. Oh my god, this feels so good. I hope we make the light. We did make the light. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching it all the way through. Like and subscribe. It's your boy Steel Flex, or Steel Flex. Peace.